In North Carolina, a doorbell camera captured a disturbing scene. A young boy stepped outside his home to walk his dog when a black car slowly pulled up. Moments later, the driver got out and began asking the boy strange questions. He pressed the child about where he lived and tried to gather personal details. That's when the boy's father noticed what was happening and rushed outside to confront the man.
What you got to ask my son?
No. I was wondering about the airplane noise.
Talking to my son and you got no adult out here. That's kind of creepy.
The driver lied to the father, but his behavior revealed darker intentions. If the father hadn't stepped in at the right moment, who knows what could have happened. In the middle of the night, a stranger approached a home, peering through the window as if trying to see inside. At first, he attempted to break in through the door, but when he realized it was firmly locked, he began acting strangely, muttering words that made no sense. The homeowner, a woman, woke up to the noise outside her door. When she checked the camera, she was met with a sight she would never forget.
Okay, I was just looking for a dog fighter. Whoa, don't have to get all like that stuff, honey. You know, cut me friends.
She warned the man that she would call the police and demanded he leave. But his response was disturbing. He claimed he was looking for his dog, then asked if they could be friends. It quickly became clear his intentions were anything but good. At exactly 1 a.m., police officers stormed into a house. But the shocking twist came moments later, when they realized they had entered the wrong home.
Police search warrant! Police search warrant! Police in the way! Search warrant!
In a reckless move, they tried to disable the security camera in hopes of covering up their mistake. But their attempt failed. The footage was captured, and it spread rapidly across the internet. On a cold night in Pennsylvania, a security camera captured a truly terrifying scene. The footage showed a black car following a woman who was clearly in distress, calling out for help as fear took over. She tried to escape by moving in the opposite direction, but the driver continued to pursue her relentlessly. Tragically, no details have ever surfaced about what happened to the woman after that night. At midnight, a man appeared and began threatening the homeowner.
Just you. Just you. Come here. Just you. Just you. Just you. Suck my dick. Just you. Come here. Come outside. Open the door. Get upstairs. Open the door. Open the door.
The owner later stated he had never seen the man before and had no idea why he was being threatened. At exactly 1 a.m., a woman approached a house and began knocking on the door in a strange, unsettling way. Her expression never changed. Her face was blank, her mouth left wide open the entire time. Some believe she may have been under the influence of drugs. Others think she might have been sleepwalking. In Argentina, a family was gathered outside their home. Everything seemed perfectly normal until disaster struck. Within moments, a lightning bolt hit the streetlight right beside them, plunging the area into darkness. Luckily, no one was harmed, but the terrifying incident was captured on camera. While Oliver was sitting in front of the TV, he noticed strange movement outside his house. The security camera captured a man and a woman attempting to break in. Oliver quickly called the police, who arrived just in time, leading to their arrest. The man in this video used a dangerous trick to try and break into a home. He disguised himself as a delivery worker, claiming to have a package for the owner.
This is for you.
The homeowner made a critical mistake by not verifying the man's identity. Moments later, it became clear. The intruder was armed and ready to attack. But the homeowner quickly realized the danger, shoved him back with full force, and slammed the door shut. Even more disturbing, another man was waiting in a car nearby, seemingly ready to join in the break-in. If it weren't for the homeowner's quick thinking and fast reaction, The outcome could have been far worse. While sitting in a cafe, a woman suddenly became the target of a robbery. Security cameras captured the shocking moment. The thieves snatched her bag, but her courage and quick reaction stunned everyone. She chased them down and managed to take her bag back. A true display of bravery. Salute to this woman for her fearless act. Tell me in the comments which moment scared you the most, or you found the most interesting or terrifying. And if you like this video, press that like button and subscribe for the channel. See you next time.